H, 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 H. C, H, C, H. Together they say ch, 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 ch. Like the one syllable of H, 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 H. Now give me an S and put it by an H. Then put those letters together and sh is the sound it makes. Now give me a T and put it by an H. Put those letters together and th is the sound it makes. Th, like in thumb. Thumbs up. This is the letter Y squad reporting for duty, ready to take on the YouTube channel about the letter Y. This just in, we only have 375 subscribers. We need 400. Otherwise, the letter Y will fade out of existence. Subscribe today. Sorry.